Hello everybody, I'm back. April is joining me today. We are going to escape Las Vegas. Why are we escaping Las Vegas, April?
Oh, there's some race or something going on. I don't know.
Yeah, there's these little tiny cars that are going around the racetrack. Even though I don't live anywhere near that part of town, we just want to get out of town to kind of escape the hectic flurry of F1. It actually has impacted where I live because there have been like slews of helicopters coming from the Pahrump area flying over our house. Sets of 2 to 3 helicopters yesterday was Friday, like 4 sets of these, and they were loud and flying low. There's another one. So in a way, F1 has still found a way to kind of invade those of us that live on the outskirts of Las Vegas. But anyway, we are on our way to Tecopa, of all places, for camp out, and April has never been to the Hotsprings.
I am very excited. I love hot springs and I love dates.
Yeah, we're going to go to the date farm, China Ranch Date Farm. We're going to camp out on some BLM land out there as well, so kind of make a thing of it, to explore Tecopa, maybe hopefully have a dinner at Steaks and Beer. Behind us are the significant others. They're in the Jeep. That is where our adventure takes us today and tonight and tomorrow morning.
Ever since we knew that F1 was coming to Las Vegas, we agreed to do a group escape. And being that Tecopa is so close and, well, always somewhat deserted, it would be a great dichotomy from the insanity of the F1 madness.
Welcome to California.
Welcome to California!
I really love this drive into Tecopa. Once you cross the state line from Nevada into California, the name of this road changes to the Old Spanish Trail Highway. It presents you with stunning desert vistas and the beautiful mountain pass, Immigrant Pass, aptly named for this road's place in the history of immigrant travelers into California. All right, what do you guys think about this place? All right, well, we made it to our camping spot here in Tecopa. We're by a little tiny hot spring. And yeah, this is where we're going to camp for the night. Per hot spring etiquette, I won't be sharing the location of this small hot spring, but it's not hard to find if you do some internet sleuthing.
You know why it's cooler? Because it rained.
Oh yeah, probably. We didn't actually go into that tub because the water was in the 80s, and we'd rather dip in the larger, hotter, natural hot springs of Tecopa, which we do later in the video. Right now, we're setting up the tent on BLM land, which is ample around the town of Tecopa. All right, we have the yurt, aka shift pod, set up, and now we're gonna go to China Ranch Date Farm because I've been there, but they haven't. All right, are you guys ready to go to the date farm?
Do it. It's a date.
All right, let's go do that.
Okay, we're off to the date farm. We've set up camp.
We've established our territory.
Yes, we've established our territory now.
A little side note about Tecopa, there is no cell signal out here. However, on your way to and at China Ranch, there is a small area of signal. Just like the earlier part of our drive, the drive to get to China Ranch is gorgeous. As you transition from a paved road to a gravel road, you descend into this picturesque slot canyon that opens up into a lush oasis of palms and running water, where China Ranch Date Farm is located.
There's their dates.
All the date farms.
Must almost time for harvest.
Yes, so
They're all bagged so that the birds will eat them.
like a shop and the place you get your date shakes.
What, that's a Model T? You can go inside and you can order shakes outside or inside, and
Inside the gift shop, obviously. All right, I'll stay out here with the doggy, guys.
The history of China Ranch Date Farm goes back to the 1920s when the grove was planted from seed. Interestingly, there are male and female date trees. Only the female trees bear fruit. The male trees produce pollen.
So you like the date shake?
Mm-hmm. It's very good.
April went in and got herself a date shake.
It's red, baby.
It's really rich, isn't it?
Yeah, I need this like I need a hole in my head. It's really good.
But you see what I'm saying? A little bit of rum in that.
Oh yeah, that would definitely. I mean, it's pretty good.
Pie or something.
Well, the interesting thing about dates is dates are not dried fruit, and dates can be kept in the freezer with no detriment
Wow.
to their quality.
I'm
What did
totally
you say?
making sticky
Did you say they're
popcorn.
not dried?
There is not dried fruit.
No, that's how they are. That's how they are on the tree.
They're all withered and wrinkley just
Well,
naturally.
that's what I'm thinking.
It's like a
It's not a process.
candy from a tree. There's an arch.
Wow, that is so cool.
Challenge going up that steep section with all the loose rock.
From China Ranch, we're heading back to Tecopa to continue experiencing all this cool little town has to offer. Our next stop is Death Valley Brewing to take in some of their refreshment.
So I would say that we have successfully escaped the F1 traffic.
Oh, yeah, there's nothing in
There it is.
Well, there's more to Tecopa than just this area, but this is the first set of establishments that you can eat at and drink. So this is the Kit Fox Cafe right here,
This is the brewery.
and yeah, Kit Fox Cafe. I think they're open for breakfast. So they're like, that's like where you go to get coffee in Tecopa, and then right here's the brewery.
What's going on?
Hey.
Your board's right up there, guys.
Okay.
Yeah.
Devil's Spit Spicy IPA.
Here you go, buddy.
Everybody think about the brewery.
Good brewery.
Excellent brewery.
It's
I'm kind of amazed that it's
that was a like
at
a
all the gold
unique
and
beer
silver.
because you could taste the rye, but it was very light.
Okay, onward to the hot
there's a building behind. I guess that's. You think they're actually brewing beer there?
Yeah, do they make the beer on?
I believe they do make their own beer.
Okay, right in here is Steaks and Beer. See that blue building right there?
Mm-hmm.
That's where we're going for dinner tonight.
Steaks and beer.
Right there. And then here's the other brewery up here. And they do barbecue, and their barbecue is really good.
For being such a small town, I find it quite impressive that Tecopa has not one, but 2 breweries.
This is
The real star of Tecopa is their natural hot springs. These hot springs are no secret. If you look at Tecopa on a map, these hot springs will pop up in your search.
Yeah, you can enter right here if you want.
It's super slimy. It feels like about 6 inches of mud.
But the minerals are supposed to be really good. You know what they do? They take out the mud from here and the mud mask, yeah.
Right.
Yeah, I like the grapefruit.
He likes this one, Nicole.
The first foot is very deep mud.
Oh, it's weird. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It is.
The water is much warmer up here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We were just, the mud is a little crazy.
It's weird. It's actually not too bad over
Yeah,
here.
it's nice.
Is the mud equally squishy over there?
Yeah.
Well, we're talking about the
have
earth.
more
You
floating
know, the earth
stuff
made
up
this
there
temperature
too,
just perfect
closer
for
to the
us.
source. So.
Okay.
It could be boiling.
I don't know if
This
I
is a
want
good
to.
idea.
I don't know if I want to sit my ass down in it, but
He said it's a good idea. All right, so
Thanks, Nicole.
Thanks, Nicole.
cheers.
I'll never forget that time. Where were we? We were at Red Rock, somewhere,
Red
and
Rock.
the wind was blowing like 60 miles an hour and it was freezing cold, and we're all like, thanks, Nicole.
yeah, whatever. You guys should sit down.
I should have brought the whiskey.
We'd all be
naked.
Yeah,
Well, that would
that's a
change
bad
the-
idea.
That would change the group dynamics.
Look at my feet.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Well, that would cost you $100, $150.
I'm thinking I'm just gonna rub it into my
That's
feet.
right. If you went to those super
It'd
fancy
be good
spas
for
in
your-
Napa Valley, that'd be like
Yeah.
It'd be good.
that'd be a $500 treatment right there.
They'd rub your
do
entire
that.
body in this stuff.
Oh, I've had that.
Oh, you have?
Yeah. It has a really interesting texture to it.
It feels soft. It feels like soft water, doesn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
We're here right before sunset, so the lighting is really
It's
pretty.
and look at these reeds. I cannot get over these reeds.
That's a sturdy grass.
We have our own little private bay. We do.
You got an extra beer, right? Hello. Howdy.
Hi.
Oh yeah.
It's beautiful. All right.
Eric
well,
approves.
where the hell is he?
I don't know. Is Lenny remotely around us right now?
He's right behind it.
Lenny's here.
We're trying to. This is going to make it to the video for sure.
Oh,
We're
yeah.
trying to get a thumbnail. I'm too lazy to pick up my phone and take a picture, so we're doing it through
There you go.
the GoPro. So somewhere in this video segment right here, I'm going to take a screenshot, and it's going to be the thumbnail. All right.
Here's Ted.
This thing is steaming away.
Rising off this thing like nobody's business. That's why I love.
Nice and warm.
I love my my TV when it's freaking cold outside.
Yeah, that is nice.
It's coming up.
Oh, that's a cool shot of you guys right there.
The earth is pretty thin here. This is how this water gets heated.
What were you saying?
How
I'm
many?
very happy here, and this is the first of many more.
Somebody who didn't like the idea of going to a hot spring now likes hot springs, right?
Yes, that's correct.
Just-
This is beautiful.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
What did I say? How many more hot springs in the contiguous United States?
I don't know, but I think Nevada, the state of Nevada, might have the most concentration of hot springs.
Interesting.
Very, very hospitable to humans.
All right, we are headed to Steaks and Beer in Tecopa. We accomplished quite a bit, right?
Yes.
So we found a place to camp. We went to the China Date Ranch, and I took them to the Tecopa Hot Springs, whereupon it changed them, right?
Changed
Yes,
me.
Yes. We're younger, smarter, and darn it, we're good looking.
And better than before.
Right. So finally, somebody here was anti hot springs and now is pro hot springs.
He's a convert.
I bet you it's good.
Is it Maltese?
Yes.
Yeah, we think he is that
Yeah,
a
he's Martin.
baby?
Yeah. No. It's a teacup.
Really? Oh,
So,
teacup
7 years
Maltese.
old. 7
Oh
years
my
old,
goodness.
4 years old.
Steaks and Beer is only open for dinner from 5 to 9 p.m., and they're also closed Wednesday and Thursday. So we decided to check out the other brewery while waiting for it to open.
All right, so we are going to have our dinner at Steaks and Beer. Everybody has gone into Steaks and Beer, and I have taken care of Gandalf, who is going to sit in the car because they don't allow pets in Steaks and Beer. I found this out the last time I was here. That's where we are having our dinner tonight. We're not doing the scuttle. We thought we would check out the local dining establishments.
Hi.
Do I have to drag you over? Right, set that in front of the young lady and you get the empty plate, sir.
That's fine, thank you.
You're welcome.
Per usual, we had movie night in the shift pod before going to bed.
All right, so obviously there's somebody over there that you can see. We're at a private hot spring in Tecopa. Well, not a private hot spring, but like one of those secret hot springs. And somebody is leaving. So that person is leaving, and I'm about to get into the back of my RAV4 and go to sleep. So I will see you in the morning tomorrow. Oh, yeah, it's beautiful out here. It's a perfect temperature. I'm so glad that we came out here to escape F1. Oh, totally.
Morning in Tecopa was beautiful, clear, and a bit cold. But these are conditions that I really do love. I think the temps here were in the high 40s or maybe the low 50s. I got lucky when I sent up the drone for these panoramic shots of the desert. The morning started out calm with a slight breeze, but when I landed the drone, the winds whipped up into a frenzy. We changed our breakfast plans from cooking outside on the Scottle to seeking shelter and a hot meal at the Kit Fox Cafe.
All right, so we packed up the camp spot, and the winds really whipped up. And now we were going to make our own breakfast, but that's just insane.
No.
So now we're going to, I think we're going to go to the Kit Fox Cafe and see if they've got breakfast. I like the desert, but when the wind gets insane like that, it can be kind of miserable.
It's exciting and potentially dangerous.
Yeah, the shift pod almost took off.
Yep, several times.
It says open, so it must be open.
I think it was fate, because having breakfast at the Kit Fox Cafe was an excellent choice. I'm sorry that I didn't get any footage of our meal, but I must tell you I was so impressed with their fresh home cooking and the warmth of the staff. I will definitely be back to taste their other items. Well, we successfully escaped Las Vegas for a low-key, calming retreat in Tecopa. But, as you can see, we now needed to escape from Tecopa as the wind quickly became a thick dust storm. Still, it was a success. Thank you so much for joining us. If you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, comment, share, and ring the bell to be notified of future videos. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next adventure.